Hey guys, look at this is the full Aerogarden. Wanna see how I unboxed it? So it's alright. Oh, it's a box, okay. So what you do, it's a tasty variety. Like this. There's directions. This one's the 3-pod one. Folds. Here. It's a fold. Here it is. I'm gonna show you the after. I got this system. Yeah, I got it. I unboxed it and it says this is the cleaning for cleaning. I don't know, but it says, do not submerge. Only high school use only. Okay, so I'll see what to do. I don't think this one has a pump. Oh yeah, obviously you can see this one, my Harvest, has a pump. This one. This is that. The whole overall review of the whole thing, period. It's coming from Aerogarden and tasty. So I'm not gonna really do it today. I'm gonna plant it at the same time so I can know I won't be confused. I may plant this week, plant things this week, but I want to keep track, so yeah, like a subscribe channel.